Hello guys, this is Wanty Punkin. We're doing a Haunt Build 1. I've just done the extension. This is what I've been doing last couple of days. I've put the webs up. There's not really much in here. You can see. I bought this, the Animated Butler from 2019. It's really good. I really like it. It doesn't really do much. It just talks, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you. If you haven't seen the video, it's probably been a couple of years, so you probably might find it when I did it.
Be sure to check your netherworldly possessions at the door.
Just do one more.
Would you like a drink? Smoke positive, perhaps? How about a nice spiral tap? Please enjoy your visit. It will be a long one.
Yeah, I think I did a bad job on the webs. You can't really see out. I thought, well, when I'm going to get some for the living room, I'll probably just use half of it and do the other on the other sides. You know, it's the first try. It didn't look too bad. When I last did it, was all falling off and stuff like that. It's just little props. The theme is the skull props. You can see there's probably not many props. I didn't really have any skull props to have, and so I thought I've got to make a little theme of it. You can see. And these are not these are pumpkins. I thought well, just look nice. So I haven't really got any of them else. I've got 2 packs, and I've used the other one. So I'll show you some props. The other one, this one, that was from Aldi, and this was probably from Tesco, sorry, or Asda, I don't really know. Show you on the bird cage. It pretty much broke half of it, and the other half was alright, but the other half was all just broken. I thought, well, what was the point of getting rid of all of it, because some of it was alright. The bottom bit, pretty much the top bit. I've still kept the what's it called, the cage, the cage bit. You can see. Well, it's alright. I might plan to have try and do something with it. You know, what's the point of getting rid of something? I might get rid of it, I don't know. We'll see. We've got the skull. This was from the range, well, the 2019. Got it in the clearance, the sale. I think I probably paid about 5, 6, 7 quid on it. It's probably about 14 quid. I'm going to turn that on. It does 3 lots, just 3 colours. I'm just going to show you the box I've got it here. That's the box. So you can see colours. It does a couple of colours, 3 lots of it. Yeah, I'm impressed with it, you know. So I'm going to show you the pumpkins. They do sound and lights, and that's it. So I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to show you the light bit and show you the sound after. These are the lights. I think they're really pressed. They look really nice in the dark when I first used them. So I probably will do another like current build something at night and show you. These were from Asda. I probably paid for £10. They weren't in sale, so I just bought 2 lots on because they are really good. I was very impressed with them. It's much all of them props. So yeah, I'm going to show you the sound. Nope. Nope. There they are. Yep. It's enough. I'm just going. This is the last prop. There's over 2 more. I'll show you. This was tried this a couple of years now. You probably won't see it in the range. No. I think unfortunately it did move, it will just falling down, but no, it's just not really doing much moving now. I've had it a couple of years, I've had it about 2 or 3 years now, I'll tell you now. Yeah, I got the skull. This was from TK Maxx. Paid about £5, £5.99. I kept the happy hour, I thought I'll just have it there, and that was from the range. Paid about £90 for it. It looks. I got 2 of them. I don't know where the other one is, so hopefully I'll try and find that. The light, I think it was from B&M. I just put some webs on it because I thought it looks cool. You got this. I still kept the tag on it. Your batteries are included. So I'm going to show you now. It's pretty much stopped. I'll just do it one more time. So yeah, it needs some batteries. I'll get a chance to do that. This was in the range. They have got the bigger version, like in bigger one. I didn't get that one. This was probably about £7-8, and the other one's about £30-40. I don't really know. I don't think they got it in now. If you look on the internet, you might try and get it. I don't know. You might get it on eBay and stuff like that. That's the tag. The light prop, the skull light, it doesn't really do much, but you know, it does make your eyes a bit like dizzy and stuff like that. So yes, it doesn't really do much. Yeah, but skull, I've got a couple of them in the back, like in the thing. We'll get a chance to move that, put it upstairs. I won't try and get that done probably end, so I can show you. I might do a review on some of the props. I'll get a chance. I'm actually going to show you some of what I've done. Like webs on the. I mean, just look cool, you know. It's just something. Just had some spare of them on here. So yeah, I think just look quite cool, you know. I might not use it next year, but I might probably use this as a different theme. I don't really know. Probably might not use this bit next year. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna start probably doing some more reviews. I'm starting doing the living room. I've done the small bedroom, not really much, because there's not really much space you could have in there. Probably do my bedroom. I need probably start on the webs tomorrow in the living room. Then probably get probably get the garden done. Probably end probably living room, my bedroom, and outside that probably. And there's like a side where you get the entrance. I'll probably do that as well. Probably get some webs on the bushes and put some lights. So I think that's probably everything. So please like and subscribe. I will see you soon. Bye.